Hi friends, welcome to Rich Mentor. This video is for Python beginners. In this video, we are going to see an introduction to Python, how to install Python in your system, and simple Hello World program using Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented programming language. It is high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Python has many features. We can see couple of them. It is easy, that means easy to code, easy to read, free and open source, high level and interpreted. GUI programming language. Python is used in game programming. It is object oriented and also it is procedural language. First step, introduction of Python is done, and the next step is how to install Python in your systems. To start with second step, first go to your favorite browser and type python.org and hit enter. It will redirect you to a page where you can download your Python files or executable file. This is Python homepage where you can see a downloads. From here you can download based on your system preference. If you are using Windows, then you can download Windows or Mac or other platforms. I am using Windows, so I am going to hit Windows button here. There are two latest versions in Python, like Python 3.6.5 and Python 2.7.14. Python 3.6.5 is a latest version. I am going to select Python 3.7. From here I am going to click Windows XE, an executable installer, and click it. It started downloading. It's 24 MB. After downloading the file, just double click it and start installing. Now select install now, but before that you need to do one thing. Initially check the add Python 3.72 path and then hit install now. So it started installing. My system is Windows 32-bit, so I am installing 32-bit OS. If you are 64, then you can go with that. It take a pretty amount of time. My installation completed. The setup was successfully installed. Next, hit a close button, and then to check Python is installed successfully or not, go to your Windows. Under a category of P, you should find a Python here. Or you can do another thing, enter Windows or then type Python and click enter. If your Python is installed, then Python shell will open. Now I am done with installation. The next step is to write a simple program using Python. To do that, just go to the shell and type print. And double quotes. Python accepts both double quotes and single quotes. It doesn't matter. Even double quotes or single quote, it will accept. It will read it as string. Hello world. And hit enter. You can see the output. As I said, Python is easy language. Now it's proved. But in Java, we should write six lines to execute a Hello World program. But in Python, we can do it within only one statement. We can do that. The another important thing is Python doesn't use a semicolon. But if you write a program using semicolon, like let me try. hi, semicolon, it will execute. That means irrespective of using semicolon, Python will work. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.